Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale. This unique role-playing game offers a captivating journey where your choices truly matter. You'll encounter a world filled with charming characters and challenging situations. The game blends traditional role-playing elements with a distinctive bullet hell combat system, requiring both strategic thinking and quick reflexes. Prepare to embark on an adventure where kindness can be your greatest weapon, and every decision shapes your story. When you encounter an enemy, you'll enter a unique combat screen. Here, you have 4 main choices: fight, act, item, and mercy. The fight option allows for traditional attacks, while ACT lets you interact with enemies non-violently. During enemy turns, you must dodge incoming projectiles within a small heart-shaped box, a crucial skill. Mastering these mechanics is key to progressing, whether you choose to spare or defeat your foes. Undertale is renowned for its emphasis on player choice and consequence. Every decision you make, from sparing a monster to engaging in battle, has a profound impact on the narrative. The game tracks your actions, leading to one of 3 main endings: pacifist, neutral, or genocide. These paths offer vastly different experiences and character interactions. Your journey is truly your own, shaped by the kindness or cruelty you show. Beyond combat, exploration is a vital part of Undertale. You will navigate a diverse world, from the icy reaches of Snowdin to the scorching heat of Hotland. Along the way, you'll encounter numerous puzzles that require clever thinking to solve. Interacting with non-player characters provides valuable clues and adds depth to the story. Take your time to explore every corner. Secrets and hidden lore are often found off the beaten path.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.